Hello everybody, welcome back to the corner for Spanky's Crafty Corner 2019 Group Challenge 52 weeks of tags. Week number 10. Holy moly. As always, I pre-gessoed my tag. It's 7 inches long by 3.5 inches wide. That's the recommended size for this challenge. This week's prompts. Excuse me. Mardi Gras is our word. Sequin or confetti, which if you don't have sequins and you have a hole punch, you could punch confetti by punching a bunch of holes out of different colored cardstock if you prefer. And purple, green, and gold is our colors. So Mardi Gras, sequins, or confetti is our texture and material. And purple, green, and gold are our color combos. So I'll set that here. Throughout the video, you'll see me pop up the words over here. And because sometimes it's hard to read this card. I started doing that last week, and I think it worked pretty good. So, Mardi Gras. I got some sequins out. I got some paint here. And my word, I am going to try and do out of these gem stickers, alphabet stickers there. And I'm going to try and draw. Hopefully this doesn't fail. When I draw, I will speed the video up so you don't have to sit there and just watch me draw because I don't know how long it'll take. I was going to do it beforehand, but yeah. Make sure I got some lead out on this pencil. And I have no idea where this is going, so we're just going to wing it. Looks alright. And right here, where these circles are, that's where I'm going to put the sequins. I want to paint the rest, I think. Alright. Paintbrush. Ooh. Oh, and I think I'll probably color it with markers actually. That might work better. Hang on a second. Okay. Because I don't have to use paint. Okay. Alright. Of course, I just put lotion on because my hands were a little bit dry. So, while I color this, I will fast forward through it. Okay, time to color her. So we need a purple and green throughout it. Hopefully I don't run out of marker. And I think I'm gonna. Oh, good. These markers are so old. Alright, well, you're not a good marker. You're not a good marker either. That's gonna be like 4 shades of green. Alright. I got other markers. Alright, I know these ones work. These are brand new, they better work. Oh, there we go. Okay. While I finish coloring this, I will speed up the video. Okay, I'm done coloring, so we can move these out of the way. Added some Wink of Stella on the purple and used the green glitter pen and gold glitter pen. Now we're going to add some sequins. Need some glue. Go. We're just going to plop some out here. Use a toothpick. There we go. I got some sequins there. I'm gonna add one on the top of the wand thing here. I'm gonna put glitter around there. Whoa, hello. Okay, I gotta grab the glitter, so I'll be right back. No. Okay, there we go. Okay. Maybe. I don't want this to go everywhere. Oh, come on. Thank you. Well, I guess it's sticking to that other area, but that's okay. Let's put this up. Trash, and just close that back up. All right, I'm gonna dry that for a second. There we go. I don't understand why that stayed there. That's all right. I like it so far. I'm not good with drawing faces at all. I like how it's turned out though. And I have no idea where I'm going to put my word. Maybe that won't work. Way to go, Spanky. I have no idea where to put my word. I like it though. Let's see if I can figure out where to stick it. I could just write it and call it good, which I probably will. Go. That'll work. Okay, I think I will. Kind of enhance some of the parts of the word, or not word, letters. I have no words. I can't word today. I think we're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And sorry, not much talking. I got in the zone of drawing and stuff, so but that is our week 10 challenge for our tags. I like how it turned out. I think it turned out really good. I probably should have added a different color in the background, but I think it looks all right. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.